longer, but I finally got a 23mm lens from Fuji to be able to vlog now, and I'm also doing a photo shoot with it. To do it, I don't think I'll have a behind the scenes because I'm going to try to create a video. We'll see how that goes. So right now I'm pretty much excited. I did have to go purchase the 23mm because it's equivalent to the 35, and the studio that I'm going to is a little bit small, so that was money that I had to spend, but it was worth it because I can vlog now. So pretty much I'm gonna go probably drop off my boss's dry cleaning and go get a studio light. I have to get my eyebrows done because they haven't been done in like two months, you guys. 2 months. They're bad. Also, I have the Red Hot Chili Peppers song CD in, by the way, and it is so good. Like, I'm so happy about this album. Okay, so dry cleaning is dropped off. You guys, I'm living for this lens right now. I can just see myself, and it's literally like the best. We're just off to go gas up at a specific gas station because BMWs only take 91 premium minimum, so I have to look for the cheapest prices when it comes to gassing up for the week. So there it is. There's my car. And it looks like the gas prices went up today. It's usually like 3.6 or... Okay, so it took about $49. Let's see how much that gets us. If anyone's interested, you know, if you own a BMW E46, it's gonna last me a week, so it's worth it. So I'll see you guys. Oh my god, my eyebrows just got done and they're perfect. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look, they're perfect. I'm so happy. So I am here waiting for my model. So I'll see you guys at the studio. I don't think I'm gonna take some behind the scenes, but yeah, I'm here. Show you a little bit of the photo shoot though, maybe, hopefully. So we'll see how it goes. I guess I'll be showing you guys how the 23mm.
Green was your mind, brown were those eyes, blue was the way that you made me. You were the rain, perfect and strange. I couldn't hold you. No interference.
Really quick, you guys, I totally turned all the footage black and white. Not all of it, but this portion, because it came out super weird and yellow.
Was the way that you made me. Take a second while you're still here. Nothing lasts forever. Remember to remember. Stop right